Oat Flakes machine product line. This oat processing equipment is designed, produced, and installed by high-end grain machinery. This production line adopts a PLC automation control system, which can achieve remote control operations and truly achieve unmanned production in the workshop. The process of this production line is developed based on the characteristics of oats, both domestically and internationally. The process design is suitable for processing both foreign-skinned oats, with shells, and domestic bare oats, with wide adaptability and strong flexibility. This process is mainly divided into cleaning sections, peeling and separation section, grading color selection section, cleaning section, enzyme and sterilization section, cutting and grading section, steaming and pressing section, drying and grading section, packaging section, etc. Through these carefully designed sections, the production line can efficiently and safely produce high-quality oat products to meet the needs of the market and consumers.